If you ever dated an avoidant partner, then you know how unpredictable they can be. Dating an avoidant can be very chaotic. One moment they love you and the next moment they're running away. Avoidants like to disappear and act cold for days or even weeks without any proper explanation. If you're in the receiving end of this behavior and you care about them, then it makes you feel like that you haven't been a good enough partner. This feeling gets even worse when you're an anxious attacher. But the question is, do avoidants really come back? The short answer, yes. No matter how much avoidant tendencies they have, if an avoidant loves you and cares about you, then they will come back. They just have to be left alone for some time, and after a while, they'll come back to you. Now, here's what you shouldn't do. Do not chase them. The more you chase, the more they run away. Give them space. You need to stop focusing on them and start thinking about yourself. Obsessing over things you can't control is the fastest way to become unhappy. So leave the avoidant alone and focus on your life. After some time, the avoidant will come back.